When you have a new computer, you want to keep it running as efficiently as possible. Hi, I'm Charles Stewart Jr. and I'm going to tell you how to keep your computer running fast and smooth. The main thing with your computer that starts to make it slow down over time is a couple things. Some of it's applications becoming more memory and hardware intensive, and your hard drive just filling up with stuff that you don't need. That's usually a big thing. If you have a small hard drive, over time just stuff will start to accumulate, and the fuller your hard drive gets, the slower it's going to become, because your computer's now taking longer to go through all that data to find what you're looking for. Because a lot of the times it doesn't get put on the hard drive in a nice clean order. It's kind of spread out, so it has to find everything. So the less data on there, the quicker it can search things. And one of the quick and easy ways to do that is to first, if obviously everyone is on the internet all the time, that's one of the main uses for a computer, you're going to want to clean out your cookies, because that will just start to accumulate so many, and if you've gone like over a year or two without cleaning it, you'll be surprised at how much memory or how much hard drive space that's taking up. The easiest thing to do is open up Internet Explorer or whatever browser you use. If you're using Firefox, it's pretty much the same. You will go to Tools, Internet Options, and then there's a button right there. You click on that to delete cookies, and you hit OK. And it'll go ahead and delete all the cookies out, and then you should be able to tell you, what a difference that's made. And a good thing to do is if you go to My Computer and then just look up your hard drive, it'll tell you sometimes like how much space is on it. Like this shows me that I have a total size of 37 gigs. I've got 15 gigs free on there. So, my hard drive is now probably starting to run a little slower because I'm starting to fill it up. Granted, that's a small hard drive, so it's even more important that I keep as much stuff off of it as possible. Another good thing to do is to run a cleaning program, which comes with Windows. You just go down to Start, and then go to All Programs and Accessories, and then you go down to System Tools, and you do Disk Cleanup. And again, depending on how big your hard drive is and how much stuff is on there, it can take anywhere from a minute to 15 minutes to scan your hard drive, which mine, since I don't have a lot of stuff on there, it's a fairly small drive, it lists everything that can be deleted. You just check the boxes of the stuff you want it to clean out. Most all of these things it's designated by Windows that you can lose this information because it's not critical and it won't destroy the computer or the operating system. And once you've chosen that, you just hit OK. After you've clicked the files you authorize it to delete, and it'll delete them. And another good thing to do is to go through your hard drive and just look for stuff that you may not be using anymore and delete it. Because again, the more hard drive space you can free up, the faster your computer is going to run. And also, if you're not using programs that you might have installed and not use anymore, go through and uninstall those programs, because that will start to free up some space, and you should notice a bit of a difference in your computer as far as speed goes. And that's it for keeping your computer running clean and smooth.